Welcome, friends. My name is Diane Kim, and I'm here to offer you a solution. I was doing my hair this morning, and I was like, oh my goodness, I love my Chart Blow Paste. It comes in a tube. I was having a hard time getting everything out because, of course, I want to utilize my whole product. So what is a person to do? I'm going to show you real quick what you can do. First of all, you have your tube, and you have a pair of scissors. So what you'll want to do is just cut right off the tube. Then, if you have any excess in there, you can go ahead and bring that all out. See, that is enough there for at least 3 more days. And then look at everything in my tube. Perfect. So what I can do, and this will last, a good 2 weeks with that air coming through it, is I can cover this back up. Perfect. Tomorrow morning, I can take it off, and voila, I can take out a little bit, and I can utilize all my product in my tube. So again, this is just a solution. Hopefully it helps, and I hope you have a great day.